Hello, and in this video I'm going to be showing you not a book but a piece of kit. We're going to be looking at a gaming headset. More specifically, we're going to be looking at this one. It's a Corsair HS70 Bluetooth multi-platform gaming headset. This is a multi-platform headset. It can be used with Switch, Xbox, PlayStation, PC and even mobile. So you can either connect this via a mini jack connection. The cable comes for that purpose. There's also a USB connection. You get a cable for that too. And of course Bluetooth. And depending on which you're going to use it for, you have different compatibility modes. And on the bottom of the box you can see that there's an explanation of which methods to use for which platforms. So here you can see on the Nintendo Switch you can either connect via Bluetooth or via a wired connection. For the Xbox it's a wired connection, PlayStation wired connection. For PC you can use any of the three connections, so you could connect via Bluetooth, a wire connection or the USB cable that comes included. For mobile there are three ways. It's either Bluetooth, a wired 3.5 connection or a USB adapter which is actually sold separately. So I bought this second hand from Amazon as an Amazon warehouse item. It was actually half price. It was something like £42, which I think was an absolute bargain because the retail price is 90 quid or is it £100, something like that. This is a decent headset. When I had a play with it, I was really pleased with it. I think it's worth the money, certainly is if you're buying it second hand, although to be honest it was in immaculate condition. The headset itself is very comfortable. The 50mm audio drivers and the actual cups that go on your ears are large. I mean, I've got quite big ears and they fit comfortably over mine. And I found that it was comfortable to wear for long periods of time. I wasn't getting too sweaty. It wasn't feeling like it was pinning my ears down. It was going over my ears as it's supposed to. So that was definitely scoring highly for the comfort factor. The microphone, I've done less testing of that, although I have tried it with the PC using sort of Google Meets and recording using sort of OBS Studio. And I was fairly satisfied with the results. It's nice that it comes with a little foam cover or a pop filter that you can stick on the end of the microphone itself. The microphone does come detached, but it's quite simple to attach it to the headset. You simply need to remove this little cover here and plug it in. You can also see the other connections for the 3.5mm jack cable or the USB cable here, and the cables are generally good quality, particularly the USB one. It's, it just feels like it's been well made, and I like the fact it's got a bit of texture to it. It's easy to plug in and unplug. I like the fact that the headset is easy to adjust, and you can see, I think it's a bit over the top really when you've got these numbers on it, but you can see that you can adjust it by certain amounts, and it shows you exactly kind of the measurement as you change that adjustment. It didn't actually come with a manual as such or any operating instructions. There are instructions on the back and the sides and the bottom of the box. I don't know if that's supposed to be all you get or whether mine's just missing sort of a booklet or a pamphlet. Mine just didn't come with one, but I figured out what I need. It's fairly intuitive given what's in the box. Inside the actual cardboard box you get sort of a plastic inside container, and in that you get a plastic bag with the actual microphone cover in it. You get the cables, the two cables, which as I said, they're really good quality. Braided, I think that's the word. So I'm happy with those, and you get the microphone as well. This is how you plug the microphone in. You just pull this cover off and you insert it like this, and it fits pretty good. It's adjustable, you can move it around. I've listened to some music through these, and actually they're really good as well. They're almost as good, I would say, as my Sony wireless headphones that I use purely for listening to music. So great bass response. It sounds a nice soundscape through these. You get some pretty good highs and lows and a bit of middle. So all in all, I'm really happy with this headset. I'm definitely happy with the money I paid for it, and it's better than any headset I've previously owned. I've not tested this yet on the other gaming platforms advertised, such as Xbox, PlayStation or Switch, but I'm guessing it's going to be just fine.